Hey guys, my name is Rosie and I'm here to talk to you about my latest beauty obsession, the GloPRO Rose Quartz Roller Attachment Head. There are so many reasons why I love this and why I know you're going to love it too. So there are many ways to use this. Before I have a big night out on the town, I will use my roller to define, contour, and sculpt my face. And that means my makeup is going to look extra glam and extra poppin', right? So what I'll do is after I've washed my face and before I apply any of my makeup, I just start rolling just like this. And what that's going to do is it's going to just give my cheeks that extra little definition and my jawline and anywhere else that I'm going to be just wanting to highlight and define. So this is just great because I'm just going to lift up and roll upwards and I can feel it just naturally. It's like an instant little quick facelift. So the second way that I love to use this is after the big night out on the town, you can wake up looking a little bit puffy and that's not a good look. So what I do is I put this in the fridge or the freezer and in the morning I grab it out of the fridge and I just start rolling. It's going to remove all of that excess fluid and liquid from your face and depuff your skin. And last but certainly not least, I love to use this to seal in my skincare products. I'm going to be using BeautyBio The Radiance. This is an amazing facial oil made with omega and rosehip seed. It's awesome, fast absorbing, lightweight. It's going to give you instant hydration. It's really going to blur those fine lines and really just give me an instant hydration and glow. So I'm just going to apply. So I'm going to roll upwards and outwards and just think of how you would want your face lifted. That's the direction that you're going to roll. You don't have to do it for a long time. You can really feel your skin drinking this in. And don't forget your forehead. And that's it. To clean your attachment head, you're going to run it under warm water or just wipe off with a clean towel. Thanks for watching.